Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to explore Google AI Studio, which puts the power of Google's Gemini AI directly in your hands. So let me share my screen with you and we'll get started. If you've ever been curious about large language models and generative AI, but felt it was too complex, then Google AI Studio is designed for you. It's a user-friendly, no-code or low-code sandbox where you can experiment with Google's incredible Gemini AI models and bring your ideas to life. The interface is visual and intuitive, but keep in mind you can also export the generated code for more advanced customization. That's where the low-code aspect comes in. So let's take a tour of the interface and explore some of the key features that make Google AI Studio so powerful. AI Studio provides a dedicated space for your prompt engineering. Think of your prompt as a conversation starter with the AI. You can craft detailed instructions, guiding it to generate the specific output you're looking for. Experiment with different phrasing, add context, and specify the desired tone, and see how the model responds. It's an iterative process of refining your prompts to get the very best results. Whether you want to write poems, translate languages, summarize articles, or even generate code snippets, the prompt playground is your canvas. Once the model processes your prompt, the output is displayed instantly. But the experimentation doesn't stop there. AI Studio allows you to easily iterate on the results. If the initial output isn't quite what you envisaged, you can tweak your prompt and regenerate the response. Here you can select the Gemini model best suited for your task. Gemini 2.5 Pro is great for complex tasks that require advanced reasoning, and it's fantastic for coding. And Google AI Studio goes beyond just text. You can upload images and documents directly into your prompts from Google Drive or your local computer. Imagine asking the AI to describe an image or extract insights from a document. Additionally, there is also support for video and audio inputs, further expanding its capabilities. If you're feeling a bit stuck on where to start, then AI Studio comes packed with a library full of pre-built examples and templates. These cover a wide range of use cases, from generating creative writing to extracting information from text. Browsing these examples can provide inspiration and a quick starting point for your own projects. It's a fantastic way to learn by doing and see the capabilities of the models in action. For more control over the AI's responses, you can adjust various parameters. The temperature slider, for example, controls the randomness of the output. Lower temperatures lead to more predictable and focused answers, while higher temperatures encourage more creative and sometimes surprising results. Experimenting with these settings allows you to fine-tune the model's behavior. Once you've developed a promising prompt or a series of interactions, AI Studio provides options for you to take that further. You can easily export the code snippets to integrate the Gemini models into your own applications. And for more advanced users, there are options to deploy your models on Google Cloud's Vertex AI platform. Now let's explore the left-hand menu, which offers some exciting additional functionalities. The Stream feature opens up a world of real-time, multi-modal interaction. Imagine pointing your webcam at a maths problem for instant explanations, getting help navigating new software by sharing your screen, or even having natural voice conversations with Gemini, complete with the ability to interrupt. It processes text, audio, and video input and provides text and audio output, offering a truly intuitive and dynamic AI experience. Initially, Google AI Studio focused on text and image understanding with Gemini, but now, with a recent update and the introduction of VO2, there has been a significant leap in generating high-quality cinematic video with remarkable coherence and visual fidelity. It enables you to describe the video that you want to create and have Gemini AI bring it to life. And if you want to look at what else is possible, then check out the starter apps. This provides pre-built application templates and examples. These offer a fantastic foundation for your own projects, allowing you to quickly build and customize AI-powered solutions for various use cases. Google AI Studio is a game changer for anyone interested in AI. Its focus on user-friendliness, combined with the power of the Gemini models, makes it the perfect platform to learn, prototype, and even build real-world AI applications. The best part, Google AI Studio is free to get started. This makes it incredibly accessible for anyone curious about exploring the power of large language models. If you decide to subscribe to Google AI Studio and set up an API billing plan, this gives you access to increased rate limits, higher quotas, and you receive better data protection as the data you're inputting into AI Studio is no longer used to improve a product. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope it's given you some ideas and inspiration about how you can leverage Google's Gemini AI in your own projects. If you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe to this channel, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.